A square tower looks round from the distance afar. So we measure the truth like the path of a star. The light of nature shines brighter than the sun, revealing the logic where the threads have been spun. Not in the senses, but in the mind alone, the seeds of the certainty are quietly sown. I am accustomed to sleep and dream in the night, where the visions of madmen seem distinct and bright. How can I distinguish the dream from the day? Only clear and distinct thoughts will show me the way. The light of nature shines brighter than the sun, revealing the logic where the threads have been spun. Not in the senses, but in the mind alone, the seeds of the certainty are quietly sown. The light of nature